To replace the strut rod bushings up front, first you got to take the castle nut off. This washer will come out as the rod comes out, just because of the angle. It hits the framework of the frame. And I already took the 2 bolts out, so now this will come up. Actually, now I could probably get that off. Drop it on the ground, and then work this out of the bushing, paying in mind that that washer might fight a little bit. I have to give it a tap to free it up. It looks like it's got a little bit of a rust situation holding it on. We'll pause for a second. Still didn't fray. I have to work with this a little bit more without holding a camera. Tapped it down far enough to get it out, but as you see, it's just some rust scale that is keeping the washer from gracefully coming off. So all I'll do is either wire wheel or blast that so it's all nice and fresh. I always like to make sure everything's clean when it goes back together. So I just scraped off whatever type of little grease build that there was. Made the surface nice and clean. Just have to cut the old bushing out. It's not worth fighting trying to pull it. But a little slit, it'll come out in 2 pieces. The new one goes in like a bullet. This is the bubble of the bushing. It doesn't look like that when you first put it in. It looks like this. The solid end is on the outside, the bubble end is on the inside. This actually gets crushed into that bubble, and over the years it'll just kind of disintegrate. Now that the strut rod is cleaned up, that washer that I had to hammer off goes on and off nice. So what I gotta do is aim that washer into that opening first, and now get everything to align. There we go. And send the strut rod through the bushing. Now, what's going on here is that these holes will not align to the control arm until that is sucked in and the bushing is crushed. So you see we have about 1.5 inches of travel to go with this nut and washer, because this has to turn into a bubble, and so does the other side. So what I'll do is I'll snug this and kind of aim a screwdriver through these holes to keep it from twisting as I'm tightening the castle nut. And then once that is tightened, we could use the screwdriver to then put the final torsion on it, get the first bolt in, send it home, and then the second bolt goes in nice.